Hello, girls. I hope you girls are looking gorgeous and doing great. So, lipsticks. So important to look good and to feel good. Lovely shades to match your outfit and your mood. Can you imagine stepping without wearing one? I just can't. But did you know your favorite lipstick could contain animal ingredients such as pig fat, lanolin, leads, preservatives, harmful chemicals, etc. Shocked. So was I just worrying how much lipstick I showed out. Yeah. But now I am found a perfect solution. Eva Cosmetics halal and certified veganite cruelty free lipstick and makeup kits. So Eva is India's first halal certified cosmetic brand which offers you 100 beauty products from head to toe in makeup, skincare, and hair care. Follow Eva at the rate Eva Cosmetics to know more. I love Eva, and so will you. So, if you like my video, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and ऐसी ही न्यू वीडियो देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बने रहें मेरे साथ थैंक यू So, if you like my video, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and ऐसी ही new video देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बने रहें मेरे साथ। थैंक यू।